looking for a snack to tickle your taste buds? Karen, do you like your taste buds tickled?
Every day. Before 9, if possible. Tony.
Sorry. Go on. Tony Q from Cornucopia Restaurant is helping us eat this morning with a healthy veggie snack.
Baked cauliflower fritters, avocado basil cream. Tony, I'm sorry for that.
No problem at all. No problem at all.
It was
Good morning.
heavy. Threw me off.
I know. I saw that. Good morning.
Sorry.
Okay.
Right.
Now, a British musician has been playing the piano to monkeys at historic sites in Thailand to raise awareness of their hunger. Paul Barton had a bit of a tough crowd to please during the concert, with the audience of macaques tugging on his hair, stealing his music, and, as you can see, climbing all over the piano. Thailand is seeing a reduction in the number of visitors due to the coronavirus pandemic, which has meant there are fewer visitors to feed them and fewer funds to look after them. Well, the monkeys are in fact his latest audience. He previously played Bach, Schubert, Chopin and Beethoven for more than a decade to elephants at retirement sanctuaries. The weather, Matt Taylor.
If you're crazed or glazed or even blazed, Snoop Dogg has a new Dunkin' sandwich for you to try.
That was not in the prompter.
It wasn't. I just added that. I'm so smart. For 1 week, the chain is selling the Beyond Double G sandwich.
Oh, yeah, I like it. It's a Beyond sausage patty with egg and cheese served on a...
D-O-double G. Wow, I'm an idiot.
That took us a minute. We got it. Thanks, Taria.
Taria got us.
It's served on a glazed donut. Wow. Dunkin' says
Hello,
it was
blooper reel.
inspired by the rapper's passion for plant-based protein and love of glazed donuts. We'll get it, guys.
D-O-double G.
We're not with
I
it.
see
We're
it
not
now.
with the times.
The D-O-double G.
It looks hard with a donut. You can't tell if it's a...
I just want the donut with the sausage, okay? That's what I'm getting at. It looks good. Can we move on? I look like an idiot.
This time they showed their lion Asha having fun with a smelly ball. What's a smelly ball, you ask? Well, keepers say the oldest and smelliest perfumes seem to be the lion's favorites. They also say cat owners might recognize the mouth open and tongue out maneuver that cats both big and small use to smell the air.
Yeah, when my cat's at home and yawns and starts smelling, doesn't look nearly as frightening as a 500-pound lion doing that at the zoo.
Having fun. Rich, you got any smelly balls for your cats?
No, stop.
I meant toys to play with.
No, ask me later in the week after it gets hot and muggy. Let's take you hour by hour future cast. As we head into Saturday and Sunday, you can see we got some decent weather out there. But we may see a shower or storm coming in later Sunday and the Monday. That's where we'll have a chance.